Subtracting integers. One method of subtracting integers is to think of the definition of subtraction as adding the opposite. So in order to add the opposite, we'll change the subtraction sign to addition and then change the sign of the number beside it. To see how that works, let's look at a problem you're already familiar with. 10 minus 7. You know that the answer to that is 3. But we can also get 3 by adding the opposite. So to do that, we change our subtraction sign to addition and then change the positive 7 to a negative 7. Now think about money. Positive numbers mean we have money, so I have $10. Negative numbers means we owe money, so I owe 7. If I have $10 but owe 7, I can pay off my $7 debt and still be left with $3. So adding the opposite gives us the same result. This is very helpful when we're dealing with integers. 5 minus 11. So let's apply add the opposite. Change the subtraction sign to addition. Change the positive 11 to negative. The 5 is positive, that means we have $5. The 11 is negative, so we owe 11. If we have 5 but owe 11, we're going to put the 5 towards our debt but still owe, so it's negative, $6. Negative 6 minus 3. Add the opposite, so change the subtraction to addition. Change the positive 3 to negative 3. Negative 6 plus negative 3, both negative. So I owe $6 and then I owe 3 more. So now my debt is $9. 2 minus negative 4. Add the opposite, change subtraction to addition, change the negative 4 to a positive 4. Now I have 2 plus a positive 4. Both positive, that means I have $2, and then I have 4 more dollars, so I have a total of $6. Negative 7 minus negative 20. Add the opposite. Change subtraction to addition. Change the negative 20 to positive 20. Negative 7 means I owe 7. Positive 20 means I have 20. So if I owe 7 but I have 20, I can pay off my $7 debt and still have $13. Here we have several subtractions. We'll apply add the opposite to all of them. 2 minus a negative 6. Add the opposite. Change the subtraction to addition. Change the negative 6 to positive. Then we have subtract 10. Change the subtraction to addition. Change the positive 10 to negative. Subtract negative 4. Add the opposite. Change subtraction to addition. Change the negative 4 to positive. Now the only number in that list that's negative is the 10. So we owe $10. The rest of them are positive. We have 2, we have 6, we have 4. So let's add all of our positives together. 2 plus 6 is 8, plus 4 more is 12. So we have $12, but we owe 10. So if we have $12 but we owe 10, we can pay off our $10 debt and still have $2. Be careful of the phrase less than in subtraction problems. If the problem says find 3 less than 10, that means 10 minus 3, not 3 minus 10. So be careful you don't get that backwards. Let's do find -5 less than 7. So when you read that, you sort of naturally want to write -5 minus 7. But it's the -5 that's being taken away. So we'll write 7 subtract -5. Then apply add the opposite, change subtraction to addition, change the -5 to positive. Both numbers are positive. We have $7. We add $5 more, so we have a total of $12.